Alright, so I removed it, sanded it, sprayed it, came out, slipped right through. You can hear the bearings. It was definitely bad. So, next step, we're going to try to replicate the same pattern that we have those legs on the belly band oriented. Okay. There you have it. So, that's interesting. So it looks like now, instead of having this receptacle, so the new ones, instead of having that receptacle, they come with a plug-in. So it's gonna be directly plugged into that. That's an interesting development. Not a biggie, but something to know. So we'll just try to replicate the same sort of situation where that socket's coming out. All right. So with this again. Well, first want to make sure that they're the same height. That's 5. It's 5 1/4. Yeah, that's 5. It's 5 and if I wanted to be more accurate, 1/8. So there's 1/8 of a difference. Negligible. My belly band is at the 3 1/8. So we'll similarly make our mark with our handy dandy red pen. All right, so this is critical. If you don't do this, you spend so much time trying to figure it out. That's 3 1/8. Measure on the other one, 3 1/8. Make your mark. It's only 1/8 of a difference between the two, so it's negligible. Right. Now, what you can do, see if you want to be doubly accurate, which reality, it's about 1 inch right there. And then look at this one here. It's about 1 inch. So 1 inch mark. So the belly band is going to be like that, and that. Okay. And we got that bolt. We're going to have the bolt right here in this area. Okay, let's do that.